Hello, this is Mike here. We are doing a wheel bearing install on a 99 Chevy S10 Blazer. There it is. Here's why we're putting new wheel bearing in. Here. There's a lot of slop in there. So, let's get started. Now we got the wheels off. Now we're going to spray this with some PB Blaster. And let that sit for a minute, then hit the impact gun. Now time to remove the caliper and rotor. I already got the axle nut off. Okay, now we got the wheel bearing exposed. Now there's 3 bolts in the back we need to take off. Okay, now we got to pull the axle through the bearing. Fucker should be in 4-wheel drive. Take 2. Okay, we got the bearing through, now we need to pound it out. Good. Okay, I got my surfaces scraped off. Need to get all the corrosion off. I think the ABS sensor grounds on that or something, I don't know. So all I gotta do is put the new wheel bearing in and crank it in there. Okay, here it is. New sensor and all. Here's the old one. Can't even spin it. Anyways, there we go. So that needs to go in next. That wraps up for wheel bearing install. Thank you for watching. See? Firm now, so we're good.